to get your tax ID. Once you come here, so you'll be requested to input your tax ID. So quickly visit the CAC website, which is icrp.cac.gov.ng. So once you get here, come to public search and input your entity name. So this is an example. So you can see I'll click on get tax ID. This is my tax ID number. So another way you can get it is you visit taxid.nrs.gov.ng. Sorry, nrs.gov.ng. Yeah. So let me just click this. So you see here taxid.nrs.gov.ng. Open it, and then you scroll down. So you come to corporate, click on corporate. So you input your CAC name or your RC number. So I will input my entity name like I did on the CAC portal. So I will search for it. So this is it. I'll click on business name. So it's a business name. If yours is a company, click on company. If yours is an incorporated trustee, click on it. So you click on continue, and then it will retrieve your tax ID automatically. So let's wait while that is loading. And if it's not working, you can just come here, use the RC number directly, and that should be perfect. So as you can see, this is still loading. Let's just reset and use the RC number. So this is where you get it. Once you search it, you get your RC number. Click on retrieve. It's a business name. As you can see, business name. So I'll click on continue, and then you can see this is my tax ID number, the same thing as what we saw here. So you go back here, you input it, and then you fill the remaining details to get your tax ID. And then for individual, if you want to get your tax ID number, it is still the same process. So come to individual, national identification number. So you input your NIN number here. So I'm going to input. So I will click on retrieve tax ID. So you have to ask you to input your first name and your last name. So you have to follow this exact format as written on your name slip. Make sure your first name is your first name, and make sure your last name is your last name. So don't guess, just input it as stated on your name slip. Then you fill your date of birth. So I'm going to input mine now. So it must be correct. So you click on I hereby consent to the processing of this, and then you click on verify. So after verifying, okay, let me troubleshoot. Okay, so if it's not going, let me just try again. Let me click on retrieve. Let me click on retrieve. So let me try and verify again. Okay, good. Hereby consent. So let me fill my details again. So if you encounter the same thing, that is just how to troubleshoot it. So just scroll up a little bit, and then September 16, yeah, click on submit. So you'll be able to retrieve it. So this is it. It's loading already. Fine. So, and then I'll get my tax ID. So you can just copy it directly. I'll go back here, and then for individual, so I'm going to paste it. So that is how to get it. And if this is still not working, so you might have to go to the immigration portal to do a kind of verification to show, because if your NIN is not validated, it is very possible that you will not be getting it. So to ensure that your NIN is validated, visit this website, click on apply for fresh passport, input your NIN number, your date of birth, input this code, and then verify. If it's not popping up, then that means you have to validate your NIN. But if it is popping up here and here you are still not getting it, then you might have to keep trying, or contact or visit the National Identity Management Commission, which is NIMC office, so that you can get that done. Thank you for watching. Bye.